Laboratory, for me, is really about artists having space. Developing as an artist is really about having time to practice, to do what you do. And Laboratory opens up that opportunity to develop ideas and actually dream new ideas. It's about the beginnings of new projects, new ideas, new relationships. And I'm thrilled that we're able to support people in that way to develop what they do and how they do it. In this iteration of Lab, we're partnering with Chapter, and it's a really exciting partnership because what it's enabling the programme to do this year is bring visual artists and choreographers together. I'm really interested in the possibilities when we work across mediums. Dance, at its core, is a really collaborative art form, and through this work with Chapter, we're really able to bring together new partnerships. And I don't know where those relationships will go. They may become something next year, 5 years' time, 10 years' time, or even if that relationship doesn't become something, it introduces an artist to working with a different art form that might become something else in the future. We have two artists that are working on their own as choreographers with dancers. They are Deborah Light and June Campbell-Davis. And then the collaborative pairings we have are Faye Tan with Cecile Johnson-Solis and Ed Myhill, who is working with George Hampton Whale. There are dancers from National Dance Company Wales who are collaborating with the choreographers and visual artists. We're also working with 5 independent freelance artists who are Welsh or based in Wales, and they join the National Dance Company Wales company dancers for this whole project. It's a really rich experience, I feel, for everyone involved. The whole project is supported by mentors. There are 2 choreographic mentors, Joe Fong and Sinead Hughes, and the project is also supported by mentors from Chapter's curatorial team. And so everyone has someone they can discuss their ideas with. And the dialogues that are created through that mentoring, I think, are really valuable in supporting artists to recognise what they're doing, how they're doing it, and what they could do next. We're really grateful for the support of the Fenton Arts Trust. They are supporting Laboratory this year. The support of trusts and foundations are vital in developing projects such as Laboratory. They just wouldn't be possible without them. At National Dance Company Wales, we're really thinking about our future. And being around all these new ideas is really energising, and I'll be really thrilled to see what becomes of these new ideas. It's important to me and to us that we are investing in the future of dance in the world, the future of dance in Wales, and that's all done by investing in individuals. And I'm delighted that we've been able through this to collaborate with people that we haven't collaborated with before, with art forms that we haven't collaborated with before, as well as artists we know and our company dancers. We're investing in their development and supporting them in their thinking and their growth as artists. And I'm really excited to see what comes next.